Hey, what's up everyone? John here at TechMogo. Today we're going to be taking a look at the RK61 keyboard from Royal Kludge. Now I picked this up from Amazon. It was right around 65 bucks. I'll throw a link up in the description so you could check it out if you'd like. So before we get into the box, just some quick features of the keyboard. It is a 60% layout, so it's going to be nice and compact. It can be used wired or wireless via Bluetooth, and it can connect up to 3 devices. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery. It's a 1450 milliamp, and it's supposed to last 10 hours of constant use on a full charge. It's got Gateron blue switches, so it's going to give you a nice click whenever you type. It is RGB backlit with 18 RGB backlight modes and 8 monochrome modes. So the box is a nice black and orange colorway. It reminds me of the Jordan Shattered Backboard ones. If you're a Jordan fan, you know what I'm talking about. Again, Royal Kludge, got RK, Royal Kludge up top. arcadegaming.com at the bottom here. We've got more RK branding on the side. So that's both sides there. On the bottom, you've got a picture of the keyboard layout, again 60%. You got some QR codes for their website and to download a copy of the manual. And up top, we've got a little information sticker that shows the model, the color, the layout, and the switch type. And once again, it shows that it is RGB backlit. So the keyboard comes in a black or white colorway. I chose black to match the rest of my computer setup. But yeah, there is white if you prefer that color. All right, let's get into the box. The first thing you see is the keyboard, but we'll put that off to the side. We'll take a look and see what else is inside the box before we check out the keyboard. So you got yourself the manual, the user manual, a little quick start guide, and it looks to be stickers with the RK branding. So you get a USB-C cable. Nothing special. It would have been cool if it was braided, but you can always swap that out later. You've got a metal keycap puller. And this was a surprise. You can swap out the switches. That's something that wasn't in the description on Amazon. So you get 4 extra switches and a switch puller, which is really cool. So the keyboard's got some nice weight to it. Feels very solid in hand. I tried to flex it and there was no give. It's very solid. Got some RK branding at the bottom right there. Got your USB port up there. You've got 4 anti-slip pads and your on and off switch down there in the middle. The keycaps were nice and sturdy. There's no rattle. The font is nice and clear. So yeah, overall a very solid build. All right, now for the typing and sound test. So typing on the keyboard was very comfortable. All keys were easily reached. There was no loose keycaps. Once again, you've got the blue switches, so you've got a nice audible click. So the moment that everyone's been waiting on, the RGBs, And what can I say? They look great. They shine right through the keycaps, so your fonts are nice and clear. They are very bright, as you can see. Not quite floating keycaps, but they look great for what they are. The keys look to be standard size, so you should be able to swap these out and customize it more to your liking. But overall, this thing looks great. So here I'm just going to cycle through all the backlight modes so you can see what your options are. So here we're going to compare the brightness levels on the keyboard. Here you can see one. My room is pretty bright at the moment, so this is going to give you a good indication of how strong the RGBs are on this keyboard. There's 2 right there. And then you've got 3, looking very nice. And 4, that's very good looking, nice and bright. And then when you get to that flashing light right there, you know you've reached the maximum. So there it goes, number 4, very nice looking. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up this episode. If you found value in this video and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up. Once again, I'm John at TechMoGo. I will see you in the next one.